Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to a new video. So the plan for today is to create a new flower bed between the pathway and the future pond. I already installed the separators between the flower bed and the pathway, and today I will be adding soil and will start planting the first perennials.
Look at all this magical Easter snow we have in the garden. By the way, happy holidays everybody. Fortunately the ground is not frozen so I can start planting, but I really hope this snow will go away the next few days. Between the flower bed and the pathway, I want to plant a short evergreen hedge the same size as the rock wall on the other side of the pathway, but I am not decided on the species yet, so I will have to wait a few more weeks on that. So the species I will be planting today is called Armeria, but this one is with pink flowers. I already planted the Armerias in a different flower bed last year, but those have white flowers. I'm not sure if you can remember. Yes, I found a video of it. Look at these flowers. Aren't these beautiful? So even though the soil is really wet today, I am watering the plants after planting. This is a rule, always water your plants after planting. This way the roots will be able to start a lot faster and we can make sure that there are no air holes within the roots. Look how pretty these are, I can't wait for them to flower. Okay, so this is all for this video guys. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comment section below. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Bye!